I'm going to show you how to watch TikTok live streams in 2020. If you like short tutorials that get right to the point about social media and other apps, remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up for more videos like it. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in. Likely you will be, and you will be on the Home tab. To find and watch a live stream, all you have to do is go to your following page. And underneath it, if there are any lives available, if you don't see anything there, that means there are no lives available underneath your following page. However, if there are lives available, you go ahead and click on where it says 3 lives top center underneath the following and for you. There are your choices for your live streams. They will be surrounded in pink and say live underneath them. To go ahead and watch the live stream, you just click on which one you want to watch. And it will join you to the live stream, where you can go ahead and comment, send presents, share, and see how many as well that are online. When you are done watching the live stream, just go to the top right hand side and click the X. That will back you out of it, back to the following page, and of course you can go back to the For You page or wherever you like. I hope this video helped you out on how to watch a TikTok live stream in 2020. Thanks again for watching my video. For sure, remember to subscribe and hit thumbs up for more videos like it. Take care.